He's around making food still, so I'm sorry about that. Another product from JB Hi-Fi, and that is the digital wireless baby video monitor UNIDEN. I picked this one because apparently it has like the widest angle that they had at JB's, and I really wasn't fussed. Like, I'm not fussed that we don't have a baby monitor. It's just that it's a kind of like a peace of mind thing, and I'm also too lazy to wake up and see why she's whinging. If I can just maybe talk to her and she can go back to sleep. So this baby monitor was $148, which like I think it's on the cheaper scale, and I chose it because I didn't want it to hook up to my phone and suck the life out of my battery, because it's got like a screen and stuff there. So this is by UNIDEN, and I like it because it has a clip here, so you can like put it on babe's cot or whatever, because she's not really standing up in her cot as of yet. So that's gonna work out for a little while. I have a knife here. I'm gonna open it. Open it up. So this has a whole bunch of shit: night vision, night lights, expandable up to 4 cameras. It's got lullabies on it, two-way, I think. Two-way talk, picture display, pretty handy, I'd say, and it's portable, so you can do this. But right now I've just got just that. Here's the back. Have a look, have a read. Side view, other side view, film, and the front. Okay, here we go. Opening it up. Easy to set up. I have no idea. Oh wow, it comes out in like a big chunk. So we have this beautiful green piece of cardboard. So amazing. Here I have a manual and additional information. That's what was in there. A unique owner's manual. Interesting. I hate reading manuals, so I'm just gonna skip that. So it's looking like this, one for the screen and another for the camera. So I'll open that up. The button. Does that wreck it? Does anybody else do this when they open up stuff? Just like push buttons? So it comes with a sticky thingy and a couple of mounts for the wall. That's nice. Where does that mount up? And then this is like a walkie-talkie clip and a stand at the back here. I'm trying yet to figure out how to pop out. Okay, so like it sits like this. But here is the screen. It is very small compared to my Samsung phone. It's the Galaxy S7. It's looking like this. And then on the side, it's got a couple of buttons. It's got an on button here. And then a speaker and all your other functions in the front. That's the size of the screen, but I'm just gonna rip this off. Oh, and that is the screen there. Wow, like, I'm a little bit disappointed at the size of the screen, but at the same time, this is what I should have expected. Oh well. love it, hate it, love it, whatever. And then this is the charger for it. Just a normal plug, Australian obviously, and then your bolt thing there. And then yank out this camera. Okay, so here's the temperature gauge thing that they were talking about. And then this is the camera here. Looking nice, looking snazz. Speakers. This is the side view. It's got the on, the charger, a clip. And then this is the other side. So it's got volume and music. And this thing, which I'm assuming would beam to this. Fuck knows. But we'll figure it out. Okay, so these things actually go on here so that you can stick it onto a surface. Well, I'm gonna turn this on, even though you should probably charge it up first. I'm not really fast. Ooh. That started up quick. Oh, look at it. Oh my god. Out of range. Okay, so I'm gonna turn this on. Oh, wrong button. Haha. Hello? Hello? Wow. You can hear everything. Like, I'm not mad at it. Hello. So now I'm gonna figure out how I can pair this. Okay, so there's a pair button on the back. I'm pressing the pair button on the back here. So I just pressed menu. Oh, okay, so I clicked camera. And then it's got an option there to pair. So I'm gonna press pair. And then I'm gonna go camera 1. Please press pair key on the camera side. Out of range. Oh, here we go. Is that it? The battery there. So lucky it's full. Let's try some things like talking. Hello. 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 It worked. Let's try some music. That's very haunting. I don't like that at all. It only zooms ×2, so that's it. Zoomed up. Wow, that was like super easy. I'm gonna try nightlight. That's the nightlight. This was like the easiest thing ever. I'm just gonna go chuck it in Babe's room and see how we go. Wash this, mate. That's about it. Now do I just sit here and watch her all day, or I'll probably plug that one into the camera in the morning, just to charge it up. And yeah, that's it. That was like the easiest thing in the world, and now I have a baby monitor just like right here.
The next day.
So I did like a trial last night. The camera died at 1 o'clock, so now I've got it hooked up to the charger while it's monitoring. And yeah, I only wish that you could like dim this screen here. Hi, it's been 2 months since I've used this. Just taking a nap right now. And you know, for what it's worth, $148, it's actually pretty useful. The only thing that I hated about it was that the screen stays on for 2 minutes. So that's really annoying, especially at nighttime. But I have put the pros and cons and things that I don't use and things that I wish it had in the description if you wanted to know more about it. But anyway, thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, comment, do whatever you want. You're an adult, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.